Hello guys, and today we're doing the re-unboxing of this. So, you guys some people have already seen my fidget cube review video. And I had to take down the unboxing video because it happened to have my address in it and I don't want anybody to know my address. So, I'm going to be doing a redo of the unboxing today. Okay, so this is the packaging. Packaging came in pretty good shape. It says Holy Crystal, Duck Deek, Anxiety, Pressure, Upset, with like this weird reindeer guy on it. It says Jobs, Learn, Society. It has the Emily story, which is pretty long, about her in the casino and the things, and like has a whole bunch of typos, and I'm not going to be reading it. It says your novelty toys. Apply ease to anxiety, reduce stress, divert attention, and so on. So, at the top it says Hongyee fidget cube, easy to carry and use, Holy Crystal decompression toys for you. So I got this from a seller called Angler C for $5.99, such a great price. This is the green, red, and purple color. I'm gonna get this guy open.